Step inside a richly layered home, where global influences and collected treasures come together in a timeless mix of art, antiques, and textiles from around the world. Lau's design philosophy, known as Aristo-Freak, blends eclectic, worldly, romantic, and dramatic elements with a modern bohemian sensibility. Of a Los Feliz home, this would likely manifest as an expressive and deeply layered interior full of global influences and collected treasures. Her designs frequently include pieces sourced from her travels. The home would probably feature a curated array of art and antiques from various cultures and eras. Textiles such as Moroccan rugs, Asian silks, or Indian block prints would be used across upholstery, drapery, and accents to evoke a sense of international flair. Rather than adhering to a singular design period, she favors a carefully balanced mix of furniture styles. might pair a Moroccan-inspired lamp with a mid-century modern credenza, or place a vintage piece next to something contemporary. This approach creates a space that feels collected rather than decorated. Color and texture play a central role in her work. A Los Feliz home would likely showcase vibrant palettes adapted to Southern California's natural light. Jewel tones might appear in strategic doses, balanced by neutral backdrops or unexpected color combinations. Opulent materials like velvet, silk, and polished metals would be combined with natural elements such as wood, linen, and woven textures, creating depth and richness through thoughtful layering. This layered approach would give each room a tactile, visually engaging atmosphere.